Okay, I just reviewed the backpack of holding. This is its predecessor, the bag of holding, and I emptied what was in that, and I put that in this, and was able to add a little bit more stuff. So, one of the things was how do you attach it? Of course, you have this. It's pretty standard messenger bag. You put this on the other side. I just connected it briefly just to make my life easier. So, we've got a big zipper on the front. Well, I was able to fit my hat, 2 books. Those are benchers for those of you who are not Jewish. We've got a front thing here. Wow, didn't you guys just see these just a minute ago? 2 more books. Flashcards. Or whatever those are. Yeah, they're Talmud study cards. Was able to use my charger. I believe this is for the phone, not for the phone, for the camera. Again, the camera and the tape. I'm a big fan of my tape. Learned that when I was in theater. Always take care of your tape. My charger for my cell, or not my cell, for my computer. Though, given as though I use my computer to charge my cell, that would actually be my cell charger too. So in the front pocket, we've got, of course, holders for various things. I never end up using these things for the correct stuff, but it's like, pens and stuff. When I do travel reviews, I just don't fill up my stuff with pens. Because all my pens are usually in wherever they need to be. And I always lose my pens anyway. So we got a second pocket. Yeah, it is getting a little nippy in here, so I have my blanket. I'm going to set that there. And I also have a change of clothes, which for those of you who have seen when I went to Israel, you will recognize this shirt. I actually could have filled this up more to capacity as well. I just could have easily pushed down all the air out of the blanket and just squeezed more stuff in. Okay, so we got another one in the middle here. Well, maybe if it wasn't so cold, I could use my little poncho. Another blanket, which some of you will recognize. Many of you will recognize this if you've seen my Scotty Vest reviews with Israel. The weather keeps changing because now I've got my gloves and my hat. And basically everything, all my toiletries, or almost all my toiletries, are in that. Actually, all my toiletries might be in that. I think everything that wasn't liquid. Another change of clothes. What can I say? I'm very messy. And the big textbook from the last review. Nothing's in there. But we also have yet another pocket to throw small things in. Good gracious! What is this? Weather by Sybil? My umbrella. Did I put anything else in here? No. Whew. Good. See, I can't even remember what I'm putting in here. Oh, I guess it's on that side. So, we got another section. This is actually supposed to be the laptop section. And I could fit way more than my laptop in here, because we got the Egypt book. The Titanic book again. Remember that sketchbook from the last review? There it is. My other sketchbook plus another book. That was also from the last review. And that's my little teeny tiny little laptop in this humongous section. So again, the Asus. Now, this here is the section that I never use, or very rarely use, because it's always like paper and stuff, but it would be good for magazines and stuff. I just don't happen to have any magazines I can like easily throw in it. But anyway, this is, now you've seen the review from the big backpack and the messenger bag, and to be honest, I think the messenger bag holds more in its normal state of use, simply because the majority of us are not going to be carrying around, things that are not, that need to be secure. So the functional amount is much easier in this than is in the other one, which doesn't close. But when we have to deal with things that are very, very large, obviously the backpack is definitely the thing, because, I mean, this does have its limitations because it's, small. But that's your review of both of them. So I hope both of them help somebody just choose which one or the other to get, or both. But I know that helps me, because this one is actually much more practical, unless I'm carrying around really, really big things. But sometimes I do. And ladies, no joking about the big stuff. But thank you for watching. Bye.